In this video you're gonna see that ESP8266 interfacing with the ultrasonic sensor and buzzer. So we're gonna use this ultrasonic sensor and buzzer with same at a time to play music in the buzzer. So wait for some time. The code is uploaded.